Hey everyone! Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to learn how to build passive income streams with the help of Chat GPT? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of Chat GPT to sell products and build a passive income working 20 to 30 minutes a day. So, if you're ready to join me on this journey of building passive income streams, hit that subscribe button and join the community of like-minded individuals who are all working towards financial freedom. So, using Chat GPT, we will create a passive income stream through affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, we first select an affiliate product and add a link to our website or social media. If a consumer clicks on our link and purchases our product, conversion is tracked on the affiliate marketing platform, and we receive an affiliate commission. So, in order to make money from this cycle, we must first learn how to select the ideal product that will convert our clients, as well as how to promote the product to the appropriate audience. And if you watch this video till the end, you'll learn everything. The first step is to select the ideal affiliate product to promote. Here, I am using ClickBank to select the product, but you may use another affiliate marketing platform, such as dgstore24.com, or you can join an Amazon Associate program to promote Amazon products. So, after signing in to clickbank.com, you will see this kind of dashboard. Now, you need to click on Affiliate Marketplace. ClickBank will now offer you a wide range of product categories that you can promote, such as home and garden, self-help, health and fitness, and so on. Assume we want to promote home and garden category products from these categories. As you can see, there are a variety of products to promote in this category. You may also pick a product based on its subcategory. For example, I'd want to promote products under the craft and hobbies subcategory. As you can see, I discovered a product related to woodworking. However, you must first sort this result from high to low gravity score. The ClickBank product gravity score is a metric that indicates the number of affiliates who have made a sale with a product in the last 12 weeks, and is used to predict the product's potential success. And this product pays us a $55.87 commission on each sale. Since this product has a good gravity score and commission, we can promote this product. Now, let's have a look at its landing page. This item has 16,000 woodworking plans. Wow! This is amazing. This one phrase will significantly increase your conversion rate. If you just sell 100 products each month, you will make an extra $5,500 per month, doing almost nothing. To promote the product, you must first go to its affiliate page, where you will find all of the rules and regulations, as well as the affiliate commission rate for promoting this product. Now, to promote this product, simply click on Promote, and then create a hop link means an affiliate link for that product. That's it. Okay, when you've selected an affiliate product and a niche, the next step is to create a landing page like Gary Vee. Gary Vee, for example, has a section on his landing page for subscribers to the weekly email. He will receive a target lead once his target visitors submit their personal email addresses in order to receive the weekly newsletter. And targeted leads are important for email marketing because they increase the possibility that the receiver will interact with the email, resulting in higher conversion rates and ROI. This means with those targeted leads, you can promote more products through email marketing. Now, you might think, how am I creating a landing page? I suggest you search on YouTube for this phrase, and you will get a lot of videos that teach you how to create a landing page in WordPress, even if you are an absolute beginner. If you collect leads through your landing page, you will also do email marketing, as Skillshare does. You can see that, since I subscribed to Skillshare through this email, they sent me a promotional email with a 30% discount on a Skillshare membership. If I click on this, it will take me to the sign-up page for Skillshare. This is how you may promote more woodworking products from different affiliate marketing platforms. According to an article on the Active Campaign site, the email marketing conversion rate is 11 to 12%. There is no free marketing method that has a higher conversion rate than email marketing. Just you need to add your landing page with email marketing platforms like MailChimp. Turn emails into revenue with the leading email marketing and automation brand. Basically, MailChimp is a free subscription that allows you to send emails to up to 2,000 subscribers, and it is well liked for its user-friendly layout, extensive features, and interface. Like MailChimp, the Active Campaign is also a well-known email marketing platform. Drip is another popular email marketing platform. However, it is a little expensive. You don't need this when you first start. I recommend that you use MailChimp or another free email marketing platform to gather targeted leads through your landing page. Okay, now that you've developed a landing page, you can go on to the third step, which is to figure out how to generate free traffic to our landing page. I'll teach you how, but before, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you feel you have gotten some value. Okay, so we're going to use Quora.com to collect leads or promote affiliate products. Wait. The way I'm going to show you to promote affiliate products is 100% legit and has never been shown to you before on YouTube. So, after logging onto Quora.com, the first thing you should do is customize your profile to reflect your industry expertise, similar to Gavy's Quora page. As you can see, he adds a profile credential, thus since we promote woodworking products, we can add a credential like woodworking expert. Then, much like Gary V, you should provide a profile bio that shows you are a true woodworking expert. As you can see, he includes his experience in his bio, as well as his YouTube channel link, social media link, and landing page link that we have seen before. We must do the same, adding both our landing page and our product affiliate landing page. Then we can use Chat GPT to write a bio. Simply ask the Chat GPT to write an exceptional bio as a woodworking expert for my Quora account. Then search for it. It writes a whole bio for us as a woodworking expert for our Quora profile in a matter of seconds. Simply copy and paste it into the Quora bio section, then add a woodworking related image. Then add all the links like Gary V added in his bio, such as the affiliate sales page and your personal landing page URL. Now, like I am doing, you should add some topics in which you have experience. When you've finished your Quora profile, like Gary V, go to the Quora homepage, and then look for woodworking plans, because our affiliate product is about woodworking plans. Then there's the answer tab. You can see that someone has previously asked, or he may get free woodworking plans. So, he is a perfect consumer to whom we can offer our product and make money. So, all you have to do now is answer the question. To answer the question, simply copy it, then visit the Chat GPT website, paste it, and search for it. And Chat GPT will begin writing an answer to that question. You will see that it will provide us with all of the website names, where we can find free woodworking plans. This tool is truly amazing. I love Chat GPT, which is why I make so many videos about it. Simply copy and paste the solution over here. However, after the last paragraph, provide a call to action. Since we are offering 16,000 woodworking plans, we may write, I am also providing you with 16,000 woodworking plans, then go to the affiliate page, and copy this line, then return to Quora and write something like, I assure you that, and then paste the sentence over here. Then add, check out the link in my bio. Basically, you need to place a call to action in this manner, so that he or she would visit our profile after reading the answer. And when they visit, they will see our affiliate landing page and what we offer as well as our landing page. Even if they don't purchase the items right away, if they sign up for our free newsletter, we'll receive a targeted lead. And if we only sell 100 products per month, we will make an extra $5,500 per month doing nothing, since we answer all of the questions using ChatGPT. And you may answer as many questions as you like in a few minutes of spare time work. Simply copy a question, return to GPT chat, paste the question, and press enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT will begin writing the answer. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification icon to never miss out on our next video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.